Hi, my name's Rob Siegel. I'm the managing attorney of the arbitration team here at Rosenbaum Famularo, and today I'd like to continue our firm's discussion on the new changes to the Amazon Services Business Solutions Agreement, which is sometimes referred to as the BSA. Now, the BSA is the contract that all sellers must enter into when doing business with Amazon, so it's really important to know what all the terms of the contract are and what they mean. Today I want to specifically talk about one of the shorter provisions, which is found in paragraph 12, and is referred to as the force majeure clause. Now, force majeure is just a fancy way of saying superior or intervening force, and it's actually a contract term that refers to events that are outside of the control of the party. Now, before I get into an explanation, since this is a relatively short provision, I'm just going to read it to everyone so that you can all have an idea of what it's saying. Paragraph 12, force majeure states, "We, as in Amazon, will not be liable for any delay or failure to perform any of our obligations under this agreement by reasons, events, or other matters beyond our reasonable control." So basically what this means is that if there's something like a strike or a riot, or more commonly an act of God, which legally refers to things like hurricanes or tornadoes or other natural disasters, that Amazon cannot be found liable for their failure to perform in those situations. Now, this is a pretty standard clause in contracts, but what's interesting is that the right usually extends to both parties. But here, Amazon specifically states that the right applies only to them. Now, this is interesting and again seems one-sided, but on a positive note, our firm has seen that Amazon will work with sellers if they are affected by something like a snowstorm or a natural disaster. Typically, if, for example, a fulfilled by merchant seller has an issue with shipping products out as expeditiously as they should during, let's say, a blizzard, a well-written plan of action will usually work to get Amazon to resolve the issue with the seller. So that's really it about paragraph 12, force majeure or intervening forces. If you have any questions, concerns, or if you'd like to just ask us some questions about selling on the Amazon platform, please visit our website, amazonsellerslawyer.com, or feel free to give us a call at 1-877-9-sellers.